Page 156. This is the Cherub study number 2. Just get different patterns. That's all it is. It's no big deal. And what I do here is I rotate. I'm not trying to use the fingers. I'm rotating. And the right hand is here. And I'll exaggerate it for the camera. The move is actually a very little move, but it's here. And just keep rotating back and forth throughout all of these on these when you have this type of thing. Then in the second line, second measure, look at that fingering. It's here. That's a good fingering. That's used a lot, so get good at that one. That type of thing's used in turns and so forth. There's some trickiness going on in the left hand. Watch this fingering carefully. Last line. First measure's okay. You're just doing your normal thing. Second measure. Look at this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Not finger it exactly that way, but that fingering is working, so just watch what's going on there and you'll be fine. Let's try this out and see. I'll give us 4 count. I don't have a lot to say on it. It's just the notes again. I suggest 1, 3 in the left hand start, and then a 5, 4, 1 for the 5, 7 chord. Try and be accurate with how long you're holding the notes down in the left hand. Pay attention to which note in the right hand plays when you lift up in the left hand, or vice versa. What's going on? I'm going to give us 4 eighth notes because I put the metronome on eighth notes. 1, 2, ready and go, and.